What's the meaning of Bridgeport? Bridgeport. Bridgeport.
Bridgeport. Bridgeport. Bridgeport is a city located in the state of Connecticut, United States. The name Bridgeport is derived from the city's location on a bridge over the Paquonic River. Founded in 1836, Bridgeport was a major industrial center during the 19th and early 20th centuries, home to factories producing everything from sewing machines to brass fittings. Today, Bridgeport is still an important economic hub, but has also undergone significant redevelopment in recent years, with new parks, housing developments, and cultural institutions adding to its vibrancy. Despite some challenges related to crime and poverty, Bridgeport remains an important part of Connecticut's history and culture, and a dynamic place to live and work.